Hey techies, it's your host Sia back with a new Mobile Munch review. Today, we're getting up close and personal with the Oppo F25 Pro 5G. This sleek smartphone is turning heads with its jaw-dropping design, a display that's practically begging for a Netflix binge, and a camera that promises to elevate your Instagram experience. But is it truly worthy of that Pro title? Stick around as we put the Oppo F25 Pro 5G through its paces to see if it lives up to the hype and delivers pro-level performance without breaking the bank. Sleek design with a water-resistant build. The Oppo F25 Pro 5G grabs attention with its incredibly thin and light design. It measures just 7.5 millimeters thin and weighs only 177 grams, making it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. The phone comes in two stunning color options, ocean blue and lava red. Both options boast a glossy finish that will surely turn heads. An impressive IP65 water and dust resistance rating provides peace of mind against splashes and accidental spills. Immersive display for entertainment and gaming. The Oppo F25 Pro 5G features a large 6.7-inch AMOLED display. Not only does this display deliver vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast, but it also boasts a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for a super responsive and fluid experience, perfect for gaming, watching videos, and scrolling through social media. HDR10 Plus support ensures you enjoy movies and shows with a wider range of colors and brightness. With a peak brightness of 1100 nits, you'll have no trouble seeing the screen even outdoors on a bright day. Panda Glass protects the display from scratches and accidental drops. Capable performance handles everyday tasks and more. The Oppo F25 Pro 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor. Paired with 8GB of RAM, this combination should provide smooth performance for everyday tasks like browsing the web, social media, and using messaging apps. You can also enjoy some mobile games and lighter multitasking without any issues. Internal storage options include 128GB or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage, ensuring you have enough space for your apps, photos, and videos. Versatile camera system captures life's moments. The Oppo F25 Pro 5G boasts a triple camera system on the back. The main 64-megapixel sensor with PDAF, face detection autofocus, is designed to capture stunning photos and videos, even in low light conditions. The 8-megapixel ultrawide sensor lets you capture expansive landscapes and group shots, while the 2-megapixel macro sensor allows you to capture close-up shots in great detail. On the front, a 32-megapixel selfie camera with HDR ensures you look your best in video calls and selfies. Both the main and selfie cameras can record videos in up to 4K resolution at 30 FPS. Designed for the modern user. The Oppo F25 Pro 5G ditches the 3.5mm headphone jack in favor of a sleek, minimalist design. However, it boasts high-quality speakers for an immersive audio experience. A fingerprint sensor under the display provides convenient security access. Fast charging keeps you going. The Oppo F25 Pro 5G packs a 5000 mAh battery, promising long battery life for most users on a single charge. When you do need to top up, the phone supports 67-watt wired fast charging, which can reportedly get you to 100% in just 48 minutes, perfect for those who are always on the go. The phone also supports reverse wired charging, allowing you to use it as a power bank for other devices. A stylish all-rounder with a competitive price. With a starting price of around 21,499 rupees, the Oppo F25 Pro 5G offers a compelling package for users looking for a stylish and feature-packed phone. The phone boasts a stunning AMOLED display with a high refresh rate, a capable camera system, a water-resistant build, and a long-lasting battery with incredibly fast charging. While it misses out on a micro SD card slot and a 3.5mm headphone jack, the sleek design and innovative features like reverse wired charging make it a great option for design-conscious users. Oppo F25 Pro 5G is worth buying. Are you on the hunt for a phone that's not only easy on the eyes but also delivers a top-notch viewing and photography experience? Look no further than the Oppo F25 Pro 5G. This stylish smartphone is turning heads with its stunning design, silky smooth display, and camera system that's ready for anything. But don't just take my word for it. Hit me up in the comments below and let me know what you think of the Oppo F25 Pro 5G. And don't forget to like and subscribe Mobile Munch.